Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my Scentbird for the month of June, and I know I'm super late to this because these come really late in the month. You get charged like on the 5th, but they don't come until like the 15th or 20th, and I actually had forgotten to do my review, but I'm going to be doing it today. If you're not familiar with what Scentbird is, it is a subscription for perfume or cologne, and you can choose them for women or men. They have different choices for both. They have quite a few different brands available, and it's supposed to come with a 30-day supply of perfume for you to try out. If you decide you like them, sometimes they offer the full size, or you can just go ahead and get it at the store. For me personally, the reason why I like doing this subscription is because I don't wear perfume every day, and if I do, I don't like wearing the same perfume every day. So this is a great way to try new perfumes. I believe if you order, or I believe if you pay ahead of time, like a few months, it comes out to cheaper. And if you decide that to cancel, you can do that as well. And let's see what this month holds. This is what it'll come in. It'll look like this, a little black envelope, and it'll say Scentbird on the bottom. So on your first subscription, you will get a little container that will look like this. And pretty much what you do is you remove your previous perfume and you put in the new one. So it'll look like that, and then you just twist it up, twist it down, and it'll come with a little carrier baggie for your purse or whatever, and it'll say Scentbird as well. And someone told me on my previous video, they commented that you can actually find these little dispensers on Amazon for super cheap. I haven't gotten any myself, but that's a great option as well. Or you can buy them on their site. They sell them there too, but of course for a much higher price. So we're gonna go ahead and open what came in this month. Okay, and then your new refill will come in a little white container like so, and then you open it and you get your new refill for your perfume or cologne that you chose. And for this month, I chose the Nest fragrance. I got the Citrine. That's the scent that I got, and it says the dewy softness of lotus flower and freesia are set against sparkling citrus notes and hints of precious woods for a scent that is sure to spread happiness all day long. And it says the mood is happy. So it comes with lemon blossom, lotus flower, freesia, and woods. So let's see what this one smells like. I do already have perfume, so that's kind of a bummer. Ooh. Okay, I can definitely smell the lemon. Maybe the lotus flower. There's not much of a woodsy smell to it, which I like. I actually don't really like woods smell, so I don't know why I chose this one, but I think I was just intrigued by it. But yeah, I'm excited to continue trying this one. I can definitely see what they would say, that it makes you feel happy, because if I put this on and I smell it throughout the day, I would get happy. I don't know if that makes sense, but it is a happy scent. I can see why they would say that. Yeah, I'm excited to see how that wears, how it mixes with my pH, my body odors, and the rest of the stuff. So excited to have that. So if you guys are interested in joining the subscription, I'll go ahead and link it below. It will be one of those, if you sign up, you get $5 in return, whatever the heck. And I don't know if you guys get anything, but if you don't want to use it, Google Scentbird and join, because if you're a perfume lover or you're just not sure what you love, it's a great option to try new perfumes, to have different type of perfumes. Most of the time they have some of the newer ones that are coming out as well, so it's a great option, so you don't have to go and get harassed by people that work at Macy's or Sephora, you know, when you're looking for a perfume. And sometimes it could get a little confusing. So for $14.95, you get to try different scents every month, and I feel like it's a great option, so I'm going to continue to use it. I already have been doing it for about 4 months, and I've been loving all of them but one. I didn't hate it, I just didn't love it. The other 3 I've been loving completely. So yeah, I'll go ahead and link the previous video below if you're interested in watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of my Scentbird subscription. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so that you can see future videos. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. It is